Are you a Roblox developer? Then you know how critical data stores are. But managing them can be a slow, risky, and frustrating process. What if you could view, edit, and back up your live data with a tool that is powerful, intuitive, and safe? Introducing the DataStore Elite Manager. Getting started is simple. The plugin automatically discovers all the data stores in your experience. Just click to select one. Or, if you're working with ordered data stores or custom scopes, you can load any data store manually. Once connected, you can instantly see all the keys within it. This is where the magic happens. Select any key to open the powerful visual editor. You can edit strings, numbers, and booleans with a single click. Navigate complex nested tables as if they were folders. Adding or deleting fields is completely hassle-free. It's the most intuitive way to manage player data. For power users who need maximum control, we have you covered. Switch to JSON mode anytime to view and edit the raw data. Perfect for complex modifications, bulk data pasting, or inspecting the raw structure of your key. Data integrity is everything. That's why we built in robust safety features. View the complete version history for any key to see every change that has ever been saved. Need an even bigger safety net? Perform a full backup of your entire data store to a local file with just a few clicks. It's perfect for migrations or disaster recovery. DataStore Elite Manager is packed with smart tools to speed up your workflow. Instantly find a player's key by searching for their username or UserID. Validate your data structure against an auto-generated schema to catch errors before they cause problems. And of course, you can switch between dark and light themes to match your style. But the workflow gets even smarter. The visual editor intelligently detects when a value in your data store is a valid Roblox asset ID. If it's an image or a sound, a preview icon will automatically appear. A single click on the magnifying glass opens a new window, showing you the image instantly or letting you play the sound directly. It's a massive time saver for verifying assets without ever leaving the editor. Stop wasting time with inefficient and risky methods. Manage your data stores with speed, confidence, and control. Get the DataStore Elite Manager today from the Roblox Creator Marketplace and take your development workflow to the next level.